Ka election syaka Lok Sabha hakalangi polling station haka distrik Ribhoi la sakhi ya ka jingmi renti jagi patba bandaj ki polling station ban pendap ila ka kamram ban ya thap ila ki vote. Bat katkum ka jingkhen balayo na district election officer ka Ribhoi Arpit Upadhyay ula pentep bahadu ka por sau buje janmiet ka jingpoi yu bathap vote kala kot sha ka 100% na ksispa. Nagaliang district election officer ka Ribhoi uliatho ba ka por jong ka jingthap vote kala kot ka por sau buje janmiet. Bat kiladan ki polling station ki balakang no ba kila sedang banwan pai bat kidan katok ani ki polling station ki badang beteng ban ap hadu ban yo sim benta barok ki patba. Bat hadu kani ke por la yo jingkhen ya ka jingwan jinginong tap vote bakalong hadu 100 pusau na kisispa. Bat ka jingkhen ka bakado an sala ban ai hadu ban dapen mi andarwan pai lot na barok ki polling station da ki brio ku bedek mi ya ka kam tap vote. Ule thu ru bakani ki election JMP kalong ka bajai-jai haka bagi patba kila yo ban hishim banta la luat ban pendap ila ka kamram klam dadan kanu ka jing penthut. Ule thu ru bawa ka than block 2 ka badai ka weni ki jaka ka badan jingma ne vulnerable. Kam syam ladan kanu ka jing penthut haka bagi patba nong thap vote kila yo ban hishim banta da ka jing la luat. Hendrai kaladan pat kawe ke jingja ke baret ithan umsning haka ba wei brio la sedang ban penthut ban nak liang gibor pulet ak jingidon rengkat bat ki magister kila kem no yu bat ra yu nak benta ban le ak medical test bat nak liang gibor pulet kensale ya ka badan kam
ngadap da kejing song kemen bangalayo ban vote entasngi ban kane ka de kasien baningkong bangalayo ban vote haka election bat nga khmi lintiru ba kino ki MP ki bajob how news nam kini alam syaga jing bha bat hakaroi kapar jongga jela Meghalaya
Suwan thek buj bej ngatang ba kwa ngan kham kala kham ha su nabin na sakmat angumta
kita jing kelak
long kata ka jing kwa haba sungap kina ki bari ati ka ba ga ba kwa ga ba pan long ngata
ngakwa namar ngayu iye leng bau pra kai i ka kala ka perthai ka long ka baro kari Meghalaya ro ka kala tela i kumba ka khi te ngaru ka kwai ka jingkala namar hadien la chat sisi kala we jongi la we ki khon ro ngakwa bukin long bet babha kan ngamnang ra ban kran islam tang kata hi ngakwa ban kran
penyak yaki kam kham kloi kin ai ban ya ki kam ban long yarap bikini ki ba dan kam gi bun ki khana menta ki bala pas degree ki meyok kam re ki bun ki ba ya shong tui telong khanang ngi kwa ki neki sarkar ki balong yarap na kini ki na benta kini ki nong pule bala dep ki meyok re telong pen yarap ki nyeki ro ban yok kam long at least kin yo ban ya yo lang ki kam barit ro
ka balingkong ngai ngo yublei ai lat nga ni Paganyang nga ka khidmat nga sini hoit kunga kumwei nong song jang nga jela asngo kumbanga dap da jingkramen bangayo kumwei benjit ya kinong mikmat bangai i ke jela ke jongi ke dap da garam sudah bat kadap da jing bamsap sudah andai kemtang la yo benjit yo nong mikmat asngo dap da jingkramen hoit habalingkong asngo ngam sngo thu sngo thau yo eng enjit andai habau bleu laptil lat lengan kelenti ngalawat ke jing tip ya nong anjit tengah ngodap ke jing kermen bangita ke jing angut ke jonga ke wei ke dai kaktin kathilit na bala daga im kaktin ke jai bendru ke im ka baar kalong ya ka try melu try jaka subu lada ngi kum ki khasi ladang im don ya ke jaka hangne khasi te shanong in pet na bang ka try jongi ke dai nang ne te lada ngidon ya ke try melu jaka ni snguthu bangi dang im
kadu api UMP kemu ni kuat uba start uba sempang uba la bandek hakinu kunu jingelang uba pelik ke parang bukunta tina ikini ki MLA kami ada ya persambat ke Asam te Asam haka met ka ya buka drong ka but ka star ko ba mo petmu bala rim wala siya kano ba katu ka jing ayu ka Asam hati kaput tang sisen hado menta kibru ke ba salak ke banang nama karo hikai ki konna do dang re baun start banyo pisah ban sangi tang suspa kenyo pisah kena ke bakat tu menang re dia dekat pat
Till 4 p.m. the voting percentage was 64%, and no untoward incident has been reported. It went very smoothly, it went very fairly, and even in block 2 area, which is the border area where we had some voters who came from block 2 side, they were also able to come freely, and the percentage of voting is also much better this time. So apart from that, there has been one incident in which police has detained one person in Omsling area. So he was trying to create a nuisance, and he was reportedly in inebriated condition, and he, as of now, he is going for a medical examination, and the police will take the further course of action. This person was apprehended by the magistrate of SST along with the police team. So all the polling parties are now back, and we are expecting by polls have been closed in almost all the polling stations, barring 2-3 polling stations in which will be closed in like next 5 minutes also. So yeah, that's it.